So hey everyone, in this video we are going to see how to fix Netflix too many people using your account, household devices and sign out fix. So fix 1 is sign out of all devices. Navigate to the Netflix account page in a web browser, then select the option to sign out all of devices. This action will close all active sessions. You can then sign in or your preferred device. Fix 2 is change your password. Go to netflix.com and sign in. Check your profile icon in the top right corner, select account. Under the membership and billing selection, select change password. Enter your current password, new password and confirm password. Click save. Third fix is remove unrecognized devices. Sign into netflix.com using a web browser. Click on your profile icon, navigate to the account page. Scroll to the setting section and select manage access and devices. Review the list of currently logged in devices. Click sign out next to any unrecognized or unwanted devices. Fourth fix is check plan limit. Open Netflix and navigate to profile then account. Click on plan detail to view your subscription information. Check the number of screens devices allowed on your plan. Basic or standard with ads 1 to device 1080p, standard 2 device 1080p, premium 4 devices 4K plus HDR. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe this video.